Apple just shocked the world, thinner than ever. Introducing the iPhone Air, the thinnest iPhone ever created. At just 6.25 millimeters thin, this is the future of mobile design. But thinness is just the beginning. Powered by the revolutionary A19 chip, delivering 40% faster performance, making everything you do lightning fast. The camera system has been completely reimagined, with a 48-megapixel main sensor. Advanced computational photography brings your memories to life. The display features 120 Hz promotion, with 2000 nits peak brightness, all while delivering up to 22 hours of video playback. The iPhone 17 Pro features titanium construction and ProRAW video recording. Stay connected with 5G, Wi-Fi 7 and improved satellite emergency features. iPhone Air comes in 5 stunning colors: midnight black, starlight silver, deep purple, ocean blue, and the new sunset gold. Available September 19th. Pre-orders start this Friday. This is iPhone Air. Would you upgrade to iPhone 17? Subscribe for more tech updates and hit that like button if you're excited about iPhone Air.